Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. So, to get started, take out the tray, which is a toolless tray, so all you need to have is just strong fingernails. You can see it's at the bottom of the device. You do have a little cutout right here, so you can use your fingernail to pry it out. Now, this one actually comes out really easily, so you don't need to worry about it. And that being said, we can actually insert a SD card here as well. So I'm gonna grab one, and when you're planning to put an SD card, just place it with the chip side up. You can flip over. As you can see, we have space for our SIM at the top, so you can just place it like so and then insert it back into your device. Now, one thing that you don't need to worry about is if you insert it the wrong way, or try to insert it, as you can see, it will not go in whatsoever. So you can only insert it one way. Once you do, both of these cards should start working almost right away. Now, my SIM card will not show reception because it is dead, but you can see right here we do have notification about the SD card being detected. So one of those is obviously working, and the second one should be working as well. There's not much you need to do, just insert it. But in case that it's not showing up on your device, you could just reboot it. So select the power button and select restart. And at that point, once the device boots up, it should function without any problem. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.